What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the Dyson TP06 tower fan. Let's get started. Let's open up this box and let me show you what you get when you spend almost $700 on a tower fan. So immediately after opening up the box, you are greeted right away with the filter cover at the bottom of the fan. And also you got the two-part filter system that is included as well, which is the HEPA and carbon filter. I'm gonna put this aside, I'll come back to it later. Next, you have the other half of the bottom filter and cover. We're also gonna put this to the side. Let's put all of this to the side. And then at the other end of the box, you have your remote. So again, we're gonna put this to the side and let's see what else you get. Okay, so there you have the power cable, the remote. I'm gonna put that to the side as well. Let's see what else you get. So this is just letting you know that you can link the fan with the Dyson app. I'm gonna go over that later. And then right here you have the instruction manual. And now you have the fan itself. Oh yeah, I'm really excited about this, and mostly because I love the color of this fan. And there you go. So notice the outline in between the fan is in that bronze color. So I'm gonna put this down, I'm gonna set it up. So before you plug your fan into the power outlet, what you need to do now is to plug in the carbon filters. So you're gonna just push it in until you hear a click, just like that. And then with the glass HEPA filter, what you're gonna do is take the filter cover and you're just gonna put it right in there. And same thing, until you hear a click. And then we're gonna push it in. And there you go, that's the first part covered. And then now I'm gonna turn it around. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. And push it in again until you hear a click, and it's now all ready for it to be plugged in. So let's plug it in and let me show you all the features of this fan. Okay, so the fan is powered on, and now let me walk you through the. So right here you have your power on and off button, and then these two adjust the level of the fan speed. So if we click on the bigger circle, we can increase the fan speed, and then the smaller circle, we decrease it. So we're gonna bring that back down to 1. And then the third button on the bottom left represents the oscillation. So you can have it going left and right, or whatever degree that you prefer, and you can adjust that on the Dyson Link app. And then right here you have your Eye app, which you can use to switch between different screens on this circular screen. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Next, you have your auto mode, which simply makes your fan work and adjust based on the environment that it's in. Have the reverse airflow mode, which means that the fan can have wind or air coming out of the other end of the fan, so it's not only coming out of the front. And then finally, you have nighttime mode. Now, nighttime mode pretty much adjusts the fan noise. So when you're going to sleep at night, you're not hearing the fan all night. So very clever. So now I'm gonna navigate the screen using the I button on the remote, and we're gonna go over every setting and every thing that this fan monitors and it represents on that screen. So currently what you're looking at is the indoor air quality. Now this monitors the current air quality with the graph showing the last 12 seconds of data. So as you can see, thankfully my air quality in the room that I'm filming is really good. And then let's press on the I. And then next you have the 24 hours, the last 24 hours of the air quality of the room or wherever the location where the fan is in. And then next you have the particulate matter. Now this monitors the presence of microscopic particles up to 2.5 microns in size. Now these can include things like smoke, bacteria, and other allergens. Next, you have your particulate matter, which also monitors larger microscopic particles up to 10 microns. So that's the difference between this one and the other one. The other one was 2.5. This one is 10. So this monitors up to 10 microns in size, and these can include dust and mold spores and pollen. And then next, you have your volatile organic compounds. Now these are typically odors that may be potentially harmful, and they can be found in cleaning products like paints and new furnishings. Next, you have your nitrogen dioxide and other oxidizing gases. This is what this detects, and it will show you if it's detecting it. It will be recognized with this fan. Now these are potentially harmful gases that are released into the air by combustion. For example, burning gas when cooking. So this is a perfect example. If you're cooking and you are cooking steak and there's a lot of smoke in the air, you're gonna notice this graph. When this finally begins to show up, you're gonna notice the graph increasing. So next you have the sensor telling you what's the current temperature inside the room where the fan is located. So it's currently 72 degrees in the room that I'm filming. Next, this indicates the percentage of the humidity. So currently it's 38% humidity in the room. And then this one indicates the status of your filters. So currently, of course, we just got the fan and the filters are brand new. So it's probably not even at 1%. Now let me show you how to pair your Dyson with your Dyson Link app. Now what you're gonna wanna do is go into the Dyson Link app and add a machine. And once you do and the machine is powered on, it's gonna immediately recognize that there's a machine that needs to be registered. So you're gonna select that machine. Once you do, this will pop up and it's gonna say, hold your device next to your machine settings. So as you can see, it already recognized it. And now it says, press the power button on your machine. So that's what we're gonna do. And now it's pairing. Once it's finished pairing, now you're gonna continue with the setup process, such as naming your machine, indicating what room this machine is going to be located in, so Dyson can better understand the environment. So now that I've unboxed the fan and set it up, let's talk about features. Now, part of Dyson's Cryptomic technology is its ability to completely eliminate formaldehyde, and that's really the main difference between the Dyson TP06 tower fan and the TP04 tower fan. Now, this is really the main differentiation that I personally see between the two. But if you are not familiar with Dyson technologies, this fan also features the same features as the TP04, So it does feature a two-in-one filter, a two-part filter, which is the HEPA and carbon filter, to help eliminate microns as small as 2.5 or even 0.3 of a micron. And it also has the reverse airflow technology, same with the TP04. It has the ability to oscillate up to 350 degrees. So again, most of these features that I'm telling you is really nothing more different than the TP04. But again, the main differentiation between the TP04 and this one is the ability for this one to completely eliminate formaldehyde. So this was my unboxing and setup for the Dyson TP06 tower fan. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I hope you have a great day. Take care.